Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are here to represent our Java 1103 project, and our project is about a digital planner, and the name of our application is Was the Plan version 1.0. So, in the beginning, as the application opens, we see a screen where we have two radio buttons. One is digital clock and another one is the calendar. The digital clock shows the present time and the date, and if we click on the calendar, it will show the calendar of the present month where the user can select the dates. So before the user can use the application, he has to register his ID. So there is a register button at the bottom of the menu panel. He will click the register button and a screen will appear. He has to fill up the following details: the user ID, password, confirm password, name, email and contact number to register. So let's register a ID. When we enter the password, in the confirm password we have to repeat the password again just to check whether the user has inserted the correct password properly. And after the password there are three different fields: name, email and contact number. These information are important just in case the user loses his ID or the password, so that he can again recall it by entering these valid informations. So as soon as the user clicks the register button, a dialog box will appear which will show that the user registered successfully. Please go back to the main menu to log in. As the registration is done, the user is ready to log in into the application. So he will click the login button and put the user ID and the password. One thing to mention is the forget password button, where the user can click if he forgets his password, and when he clicks into the button, a panel will appear where he has to enter the user ID and the valid information to again verify the password and reset it. So now we are ready to log in. So as soon as we log in, we get the welcome dialog box, and at the same time, we see a panel in front where the user will be notified about his present or today's date, meetings, and other events. At the left, we have the clock, and at the bottom of the clock, we have the calendar. In the bottom panel, we also have the home button, create events button, view, and about us. To create an event, the user will click on the create event button, where he will have two options to select. Two types of events he can select: meeting and to-do list. The latter part of the project will be discussed by my teammate, so hopefully we'll enjoy the later part. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right, now I will continue where my group member stopped during his explanation. Now I'm going to explain about the creating function of our program. And for this function, we concentrate on two different type of event. In creating two type of event, which is first is meeting, and second one is to-do list. For meeting, after we analyze and brainstorming, we decided in when creating an event of meeting, first we need have the type of meeting, which is personal or group. Second, the subject of the meeting. Third, the date of the meeting. Fourth, the location of the meeting. And the last one is time of the meeting. Now I'm going to demonstrate how this creating of event of meeting works. First, we decided what type of event. Take for example, personal. Second, I'm going to demonstrate it. And this is the date where we can use this button to automatically choose the date for our event. For example, tomorrow. And location, and also the last one is the date. After we input all the requirement, and then we click save. When this dialog is shown, this means that our event has been successfully saved into a file, which we can see from this location. This quiz halakha is the subject of the meeting. This is the date of the meeting, and this is the type of event. Now we continue to create a to-do list event. For to-do list event, we decided to we need to input subject, date, and also the task. For the task, we can add more tasks by using this button. For example, I want to add 2 more tasks. Just click. Okay, then for example, I just put report. Then the date also tomorrow is our last day. Then first we make the video, which is not complete yet. Second is our report. What which technically is done. And fourth is we need to send to manual. Oh, also upload video. Yeah, this is the to-do list for OP report for tomorrow, and then we save. When this is shown, the data will save in to-do to-do event. This is the date of the event, and this is the subject of the event. Okay. Now we're going to go to the next function, which is viewing and creating event. For example, we want to view a meeting event. Click that, and then choose the date. For example, I will create tomorrow event and search. Then this is the subject of the event. We just need to click, and it will show the what has been saved previously. Then I want to show to do this event. Save date and search. This is the for to do this event. When we click it, it will show the to-do list event report. For to-do list, we add some function where we can constantly update while viewing. For example, I want to add 1 more task. We can add, and we also can tick when because this is to-do list. This means we need to constantly update it. Then we can save. When if we want to reset it, for example, this is a want to reset. It always updated. Okay, that's for the viewing functionality. And the final function is about not function is the final part is about us. This about is a part where we explain about our project and also the function that we give to our project, implement to our project. Also, we have also the our role. We put also the role of each group member in creating this object. Plus, we also use this opportunity to give some gratitude to every individual who gave us the idea and also help us in creating the program indirectly or directly. We very gratitude for their help. Okay, that's the end of this uh, video presentation of our project. Okay, that's all I think that so I will end this Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.